hello, and good morning. Welcome to Andrea's bathroom. And today's video, I'm going to clean out the toilet tank. I was just about to put one of these things down in there, but then I say, could inside here look any better? I look up a video and I say, let me try it. I don't have time right now to leave it for an hour, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to empty this water out. First, I'm going to close off the valve. The valve is down on the floor. Let me see something. I'm going to close off the valve, flush it, and put hot water. So let's get these steps in one at a time. Okay. So this is me attempting to close off the valve. So when I flush it, the water does not come back out. Okay. Close it. It seems like there's some water dripping, so I need to put something there to catch it. Alright, let me get something to catch it too. So now I'm flushing the water that's in the sink, in the toilet, holding down the valve to try and let it all out. See. Over. There's still some water up in there. Remember, we're not trying to let any water in, so you gotta hold that down. Okay, I think it's all gone. So now I'm gonna catch some hot water. I'm gonna turn on my tub and catch some hot water. Put it onto the hopper. I'm going to throw some hot water down in there. So I get some hot water, and we're going to throw it in the toilet. So I take this container and I catch some hot water from the tub and I fill up the toilet tank. And I'm going to add some dish soap. Yes, simple dish soap to it. And I have some baking soda. We're going to add some of that in there to clean up the tub. You know what? I have the bubble spray. Child, because the water is not all the way up there. We need in here look right. And then I'm going to leave it. Let me see. They say no scrubbing, but let's see something. I'm going to leave it for like about half an hour. And I'll be back. What time is it now? 22:11. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's finished. I'm going to put the cover back on it and leave it like that. I'm checking it up on my toilet. I just want it to have a nice citrus smell, so I'm going to add a little pine salt to the water. I'm going to spread it a little bit. That stain's still not moving, so I'm thinking I'm going to get a little bleach to add to it. Let me go get the bleach and I'll be right back here in Andrea's bath. Okay, I'm back with the bleach. I have the low splash bleach. I'm going to put a little up in there. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit and cover the toilet back. I'm trying to get this blue mark to go. Mix it around in the tub, in the tank. Forgive my words, please. Just keep messing up. This is a toilet tank. The first time you're not going to get it the way you want it to, because I'm not going to leave it for the full length of time, because this toilet needs to get used. You know what I'm saying? I have 2 bathrooms, but for right now, I'm only working on one. can't work on both at the same time. I have to climb upstairs to go to take care of the other bathroom. Which was not my job at home. But so let's give this another about 20 minutes or so. And we'll be back here in Andrea's bathroom to see the results. Because I have to move on to other stuff. See you again in Andrea's bathroom. Okay, it's time to get back checking on this toilet. The toilet tank. I'm just gonna take this and just clean up down in there. Gotta go upstairs and see what's wrong with that toilet. To keep flushing every minute and nobody in the bathroom. So let's take this out. I think I have to flush it. Let's see. Let's let out the water. I'm gonna let out the water. I'm gonna see what it looks like before I put the water back in. Okay. And then go all the way down. Let me get that stuff again. I'll clean it up. Okay, let me put my hand back down in the toilet now to get to it a little better. Clean up down in the toilet tank. Think it look any better? Alright, that's enough of this. Let me let this water out a little bit more. It's not going down. I have to turn the water back on and see. So I could get to flush that stuff out. Hold on. Okay, open back the valve. The neck is dripping out from there. The tank is falling back up. I don't know what's going on, but I put that there to catch the water. Do I have to open it up a little bit more? I don't understand why it's dripping. Okay, seems like it stopped. But I need all of that to go out. Should I flush it now? I'll leave it just like that. Let's flush it one more time and see. All that water coming out from this still. Okay, it's pulling back up. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't know what's going on with this. You know what? Let me put this in the water. I'm gonna drop that down in there. Close up the tank and try to figure out why it is still dripping. Okay.